In this video, I'm going to walk you through my ultimate 5-minute makeup using just 5 products. Okay, let's get started. First is the Rageism All Day Foundation. So I'm an 03, just going to take a little blob on my finger and start in the center of my face. And work outwards. So this is my today dropping the kids at school makeup. Going and having a quick meeting makeup. It's your quick, easy, capsule, don't have to think about it makeup. Because quite frankly, that's all I have time for, okay, in the mornings. So just a little bit of sheer coverage from the Rageism All Day Foundation, and I'm just going to add a tiny bit more where I really need it, which again is just through the center of my face. You can see it just gives the most beautiful, luminous finish. Now I'm wearing the 03, which is, let's say, a medium to dark coverage. Got a little bit of soft tan on, which is soft tan's quite warm. Okay, make sure you come down your neck. All right, well, that's it. So I've just massaged it in like my moisturizer. Think of that foundation as an extension to your skincare. You can build it up, but for this morning, that's it for me. Okay, next step is my Me Cosmetics Forever EyeCrayon. I'm going to use the color Sorbet today, which is a shimmery pinky gold. And I'm just coloring that in. All over the lid. I'm using my finger to cover the whole lid with the crayon. These crayons set, you got to work quickly with them, but then you don't have to worry about them again. So if you live in a humid climate, they're perfect. They won't crease, they won't crinkle, they won't sit in your crinkles. So they're the perfect set and forget product. Okay, so that was the Me Cosmetics Forever EyeCrayon in Sorbet. Just gives you a really nice, natural, fluttery look. Okay, next I'm going to use my INIKA Long Lash Mascara. And start right at the root of the lash. I love this lash. I love this mascara. It's certified organic, so it's perfect if you've got sensitive eyes. And if you start right at the root and wiggle up, it gives you the definition that you can get from an eyeliner. So this is, you can see I don't have particularly great eyelashes. That just gives me a bit of definition. So start at the root and wiggle up. Now I'm talking, so this is going to take longer than 5 minutes. Compulsory to pull funny faces when you're doing mascara. So you can see I'm really loading my lashes up because I do love mascara, and I think it very quickly gives us definition to our eyes. Again, turn it this way. What's that? Vertical. And use the tip just to coat those outer lashes. So you get every single one, and when you load up those outer corners, it gives you more of a winged effect. So case in point why I don't have time to spend loads of time doing makeup in the morning, because you know it's rare to get more than 3 minutes to oneself. So I'm just going to do the top to start with. I may come back and do the bottom as well. Right, next step is my Me Cosmetics Sculpting Brow Builder. This is like a mini itty bitty bitty, if I can get it open, itty bitty mini brow mascara. Okay, so I'm using the color medium. Even though I'm blonde, I like a bit more of a dark brow kind of look because my brows do fade into nothingness. When I'm in a hurry, I find the medium works better for me because I get a bit more color payoff. These are awesome at covering grays as well if you want to cover grays. So I'm just brushing that through the hairs. So it sets the hairs in place, but also just gives a bit of bulk and color to the lash. So you can see the lash, brow, you know what I mean. You can see the difference. I mean, hello. So I also think when you brush this through your brows, it gives you an instant eye lift. Like it's the cheapest eye lift you're gonna get, spending a little bit of time on your brows. So again, I'm just brushing this through the brow hairs.
Mum, where's the things that I put in my hair to make it
Okay, Charlie, you just have to wait.
Okay.
Okay, so keep brushing that through until you've got the color you're happy with. So I'm going to add a bit more. Remember, brows are sisters, not twins. So, you know, they're not meant to be perfectly symmetrical. My last product is the Perez Carrot Color Pot. I'm using the color Harmony, and this is amazing because, there you go, straight onto the lips for a bit of fullness, and straight onto the cheeks. You can see it's quite pigmented, packs a punch, and we're just going to blend that foolproof cream cheek color into my skin. It just gives your skin a lift, right? Don't forget blush. Blush really perks a mature face up. Okay, and just use your fingers until you've blended it into the skin and whack a bit on your lips. And that is my 5-minute makeup. Now it's taken me longer to explain it all to you, but it would take you 5 minutes. It's 5 products in 5 minutes. And I'm just going to come back and put a little bit of extra. So again, I'm putting it right close to the root of my lash bed. Just almost laying the wand. And then hold your wand horizontally and just coat those extra little lashes. Okay, so all the products that I've used, just a minute, Charlie. All the products that I've used, you'll find in my beauty boxes. So you've got your foundation, which you can wear sheer or build up to be a more medium coverage. You get your eye color crayon for your eyeshadow. That comes in 4 different colors. I've used Sorbet. You get your mascara in black, the brow builder, and haven't got enough hands, the lip to cheek pot, color pot. Okay, each one of those products is handpicked by me to help. God, this is what I'm dealing with. We've now got a poo in the, okay. Anyway, each of the 4 products, each of those 5 products is in the over 40s, over 50s and over 60s beauty box, which are available on my website at amandaramsey.com.au. Any questions, drop me a line. But that's it. That is my dropping the kids to school
And don't
5-minute
forget to
makeup.
like down below.
Charlie wants you to like and subscribe. Comment below if you need any help with choosing the right colours for you. But everything is on the website. I talk you through in little videos how to choose the right colour for you, what colours will suit you, but you are welcome to drop a comment below and I'm very happy to help guide you. So there we go, my quick, dewy, luminous, fresh, almost like a no makeup, healthy looking makeup. Every single product in there that is handpicked by me is also good for nurturing your skin. All right, bye for now.